AS6 Vlogs! Yeah, AS6 Vlogs.
Today I've been relaxing, but yesterday I've been to a nature museum that's in Chicago. And I've been going to Chicago lately, so yeah. Simply the screen. So yeah, some clips right about now.
I'm so excited, I can't wait to go into the museum!
Okay.
I've even been in here and it's just pretty cool already, it's like amazing. Can't wait. These security cameras.
We get them in the mail first, in their shells. We pin them up in the lab, and then the butterflies come out.
Oh wow!
So we take the butterflies.
This actually works.
Oh wow! You ever seen this thing? There's no such thing as a lazy woman.
Oh wow. Oh, look at the fish. Yeah, there's the orange coat darter. Look at the central stone roller. There's other red-bellied fish.
On the moon, balancing the fish and the amphibian population. Water snakes.
So, wetlands like what? Balance.
That's a weird looking fish.
I think that's an electric eel. It's a tiny little lizard.
Look at the Look at the chickens! Look at the
hermit crab in his natural habitat inside of racing turtles. Go, 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 go!
They just hatched.
I think this is probably to number them to make sure that they have all the turtles. Just look at all of them. Look, they're even back there. The mighty bull snake in its normal habitat. Look at the baby. Giles. They're huge, honestly.
Those claws give you an arm. You're like, ouch!
It's a deer from the movie. Look at all these animals.
Man, you know, if those porcupines, if you touch their little skin, it pokes you.
You know that's not actually their skin? Huge things. Look at the moose. Let me turn around and there's like a ginormous bug. How nice looking. Yeah, it would. Look at all these huge bugs. Look at him, guys. Look at everyone. Do 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 oh, the humongous bugs! I'm not even looking, they're huge! There's bugs everywhere! Even in your backyard! Butterflies, butterflies, butterflies.
rope right there. Oh my, look at that. It's so good.
This is incredible. Whoa, whoa.
Look at them. They're so cool.
Well, break from the walking.